Hey, welcome back to Interior Grind, where we are grinding for good design. Today we're in a new subdivision or development called Shipman's Cove. This is right off of Highway 6 and the Fort Bend Tollway. This is the Ashton Woods home. It's a two-story, and you guess what? There weren't any annoying salespeople to bother us from that office, but we're gonna go right in, shall we? This house has a porch out front, which is cute and country. I love cute and country. Let's walk on in. So as soon as we open, we see the staircase, but it's not hidden you, but it's off to the side. Then we see a room dedicated for a sitting room as well as a small formal dining. And then I mean small because it's a brown table. Then we walk through, and off to the left they have a laundry room. Not too big, not too small, adequate. And let's just move on through. Let's go on to the left and move to the open living space, two-story living space, but it's quite narrow and quite small. As you can see, it's kind of like cut off. And there's my sister trying to be the star, pretending that she's eating an apple. Or was that a bell pepper? Yeah, so the kitchen is quite standard. It has, a pass-through butler's pantry from the dining space into the main kitchen, where they have dark cabinets on, with a contrast white with subway tiling. It's nice. It's simple. It's clean. It actually has a large island, which I didn't really capture very well. But guess what it doesn't have? Guess what? A fireplace. All homes need a fireplace. They all need them. But I'll move on. Into the primary bedroom, where there's a rug on carpet. I just don't understand why anybody would put a rug on carpet, but people do. And that artwork is not hidden. So let's move on to the primary bathroom, where they have a soaking garden tub and some Carrera Marble-esque flooring, which is staggered, which I don't mind. And they have black trimming, which is definitely on trend, but I'm always worried about mildew. That's just me. That's my own little tick. So, they have a private toilet along with a sizable closet with black and white clothing in it. I'm like, ooh, they were trying to be special with all the black and white. But, and then they have that rustic chandelier in the bedroom, which is so common now, I'm noticing in all these homes. Rustic chandeliers for the bedroom. Okay then. But again, this living space is quite tiny. Like, the sofa is not big at all. You can't really get comfortable there. And let's just move on up and go on up those steps. Let's go on up the steps, shall we? Let's do this. Let's see what upstairs is giving. I can't wait. I'm on pins and needles. Will we go right? Will we go left? Will we go right? Will we go left? Let's go left. Into another living space that could be called the media room, but it's an open space, so yeah, they have a sectional. And let's enter into a small bedroom, which is kind of boho chic, with the modern boho chic art on the wall, which you can buy on Etsy, just in case you want that kind of artwork. Buy it on Etsy. Maybe on my page, but we're not talking about Etsy today. So let's go on, head on out to the left, to across the way to the other sets of bedrooms. So this house definitely has 4 bedrooms, and they're quite small, I must say. Quite small. And this bedroom is small again, like I said, small, kind of snug, full-size bed. And boho chic too, with dark blues. And another bedroom, which is kind of basic, small. And let's head into this bathroom. It's a Jack and Jill bathroom, which connects the rooms. And look, the doors are almost connected. Like, ooh, I would hate to open the door and then, oh my God, sissy, what are you doing here? Oh my God, sissy, get out of here. And then they have this basic tile, from the 80s. Come on now, do better, people, do better. So let's, we've seen enough of this house. Let's move on out. Let's head on down and out the door, where, oh my God, another family's coming. Perfect timing. They want the house. They can have this house. But my sister thinks she already owns the house. She was like, y'all come back now. You hear? So like and subscribe. Till next time.